iwe.
Zikana ngisiya manje.
You're a baby in the song. Someone says Kana. Why is that? Sorry, smoke. Sorry, smoke. Super Marian. Sorry, Moon. Yeah, some boy.
Numuzenda siya marumu. Anje ndatozoka nenyaya iyoyo. Asari kundidhonza kundidhonzera. Uyapenga rapo.
Maria Bonje.
Maria Bonje hanzi zaketha neuyu.
Maria Bonje udiwa. Mari. Saka mari mumsadaro moyo.
Ndewana kupi ndikuzotanjika uko andone mara sarana teste kupi
someone hello
not on my ethnicity. Hi,
how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, Mo. What is your name?
TT.
Where are you from?
United States, America.
United States, America. In which country?
America.
Yes, I know in America, but in which country in America?
Oh, Virginia.
What?
Virginia.
Virginia? Oh, okay. Mina, I'm in Africa.
You're
South
Africa?
African.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Tumbe Sendin.
Say it again?
Tumbe Sendin. Because ukosinzi pokabambacha makuta na sekola mnguza shule. Uchagara somnyama ukocheka na nasenzo nini.
Okay.
Weangizwa nwenje. You are looking so beautiful. You are such a gorgeous woman.
Thank you.
I wish I can meet you anytime soon.
Yes.
You have a boyfriend?
Yes.
You have a boyfriend?
Mm-hmm.
Why? You must learn to wait, because it happens most of the time that you can rush to have something, but God is preparing something more good for you.
Yeah.
I'm here for you. I'll be here. I'll be there for you also in tomorrow. I'll be with you anytime if you want.
Okay.
Do you have WhatsApp app?
No.
Why?
I don't use that.
I just want to talk to you every time if I wake up or if I eating, if I
Okay.
yeah. So which other apps do you have?
Text messages?
Text messages, how way? Text messages.
Text message, like the phone number, my phone number.
Mana, so good mama text messages. Hey, how are you going to say? Uchini mtara mundu.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
What?
I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna have you have
No,
a
we
good night.
can't go while we are talking about that thing. Can you please give me your numbers? I just wanna talk to you. I just wanna remind you that you are so beautiful. If I wake up in the morning, I will text you and say, "Morning, my love. How was your night?" During the day, I will text you again and ask, "How's your day going?" Also in the evening, I will do the same thing. You'll never get bored if you are with me on your side. No, I just want to have your numbers right now. Can you please help me to have it? No, you can give it to me.
I like girls.
Anguzwa.
I like women.
You like women?
I like women. I like girls.
Mustaban. Okay, you and I were the same thing. I also like women. So as far as we are loving women, I also love women, which means we are one and the same thing. God decided to make both of us to love women. We have such a beautiful trophies.
I don't.
What?
We can't see each other. You're too far. So how would that work out?
Oh, what?
How can we work out if I'll never see you? You're all the way in Africa. That's a far away. Hey, Raven.
Okay.
Hey, Raven. You're far. How can we? It's not gonna be nothing because you're too far from me.
No, I'm not that much far. I can make some plan to come to you.
I don't know how to drive.
I can fly anytime. I can come where you are.
I have 2 husbands.
You have 2 husbands?
Mm-hmm.
How? Who's favorite?
What?
Okay, I don't care. Even though you have 2 husbands, it is not. I think it is not tired me. That's one.
I have 24 kids too.
How?
24 kids.
24 kids. I don't care about that. I also have 34 kids. So if we combine it together, Chuti, we have 68 kids. We have 54 kids, 58 kids.
Okay.
Yeah, we are beautiful. If we meet each other, what I can promise to you is that I can give you a wonderful hug that can make us skinless. Yes. You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. When we going to meet?
I don't know English.
You don't know in English? I just want us to speak with the sign language like this.
How you gonna do me?
I just want to speak with the sign language like this.
One more time.
You don't understand what I'm saying? We don't love this sign language. Yeah? How about this sign language? Because you can't understand what I'm saying, I think sign language is the best talking method.
I only like tall men.
Tall men?
Tall
yeah,
men.
I'm very tall.
How tall are you?
How tall are you?
No, how tall are you?
Yeah, I'm tall.
Are you 5'4"?
Faithfully.
5'4"?
5'4".
5 feet. Are you 5 feet tall?
Yeah?
Are you 6 feet tall?
6 feet underground. No, it is my grandfather. She's 50. She's 6 feet underground. I'm not 6 feet, Mina, right now.
You're not 6 feet.
No, it is my grandfather. She's 6 feet. He is 6 feet underground.
Oh, y'all use centimeters? So how much is 6 feet in centimeters?
How much what?
Y'all use centimeters or something like that, right?
Oh, how many centimeters?
Do you play a sport? Do you play basketball, football, soccer?
No, I'm not playing. Oh, I'm playing soccer.
You don't play soccer?
I'm playing soccer. You know Evidence Mahoba?
What?
Evidence Mahoba, a South African soccer player who was playing, that was playing a soccer in Mexico.
Okay.
That's me.
No.
No, teen man. It is me. I'm Evidence Mahoba. I had the ball like this.
Oh, you have 900,000 followers. What do you do?
What do you do?
Well, why do you have so many followers?
Oh, my grandfather, my grandmother is what? I don't know in your language. What do you call Patina Zulu? We are using a Sangoma language. My grandmother is a natural healer in Sangom.
What? Like a queen?
What?
A king? The president?
Yeah, my grandmother is the president of South Africa.
For real?
Yeah.
What's their name?
What?
What's her name?
What's her name?
Who? Grandma.
Her name?
Grandpa.
Oh, my grandfather is Cyril Ramaphosa.
They said you're a comedian.
Yeah?
You're a comedian?
No, my grandfather is not a comedian. She is the president.
You.
It's
No,
you. It's you. It's me. It's us. You know that song?
No.
Okay, I'll teach you.
Okay.
Yeah, we are so beautiful. When do you come on my house?
I don't think I'm coming to Africa anytime soon. But you can come here.
What?
I don't think I'm going to Africa anytime soon.
What part
What of Africa are you in?
What?
What part are you in?
I'm in South Africa.
South Africa?
Yes, I'm in South Africa.
No. You don't change the language from English. I don't know what you're saying. Like, I hear the first 2 words and you change it to another language. I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, I'm from Africa country, South Africa continent, in Singa city, capital city of Durban.
Singa city?
Msinga. Just use your lips like this. Msinga. Msinga. What's why his name? Msinga. Emakunwini.
Msinga.
Hey, awubize kahle amachunu. Emakunwini. Yeah, there. Hey.
His father is Ramaphosa, the president of Zululand.
Ramaphosa is what?
That's your father?
Yeah, she is my father.
He.
Yeah.
Close enough.
My mood is not right today. I was upset by my cousin. She lost my black card that is covering my 20 million rand. Just imagine. But I'm not happy. But on the other side, I just pass that thing away because I have also another money on my other cards. So Life is good.
Baby, you just said a whole bunch of nothing.
After 9 minutes,
you're trying though. I'm proud of you for trying, but you just said you ain't say shit just then. Oh my god.
What are you saying?
Nothing.
You don't say nothing.
I don't know what the hell you just said though. You said some whole bunch of.
Oh yeah, I was trying to say that I have a lot of money. As you see here, Red Bull gives you wings. I'm drinking a Red Bull. We should be no, I'm not drinking a Red Bull.
Red Bull gives you
drinking
wings.
A Black Bull. I'm drinking a Black Bull. It is costing around $920 in South Africa.
Okay.
Yeah, just imagine. I'm drinking what a such of thing. Black Bull. And there's no one in all continents who know a Black Bull. It is only me because I'm a born child of Cyril Ramaphosa. Just imagine.
Right.
Yeah, here in South Africa, there is no one girl that is not willing to date me because I'm an attraction in this country. Just imagine.
So everybody is willing to date you?
Every girls are just, what are they doing? Every girls are just chatting to eat me again.
Try again.
Every girls are trying to connect with me.
They want to connect with you. So every girl wants to date you? Be with you?
Every girl in South Africa, they want to date me, even though I'm going in ShopRite, the cashiers of ShopRite. I'm talking about yesterday's story. I was in ShopRite. I was going to pay for my Black Bull that is costing around $950. Cashiers, they stop to help other customers. They come to me, they hugged me, they kissed me. All of them, even their managers, also. What? Everyone on the store, they stop what they are doing and they came to me to hug me and kiss me so much.
Wow.
Just imagine.
Wow.
So you are not willing to date such a man like me? Just imagine. I can do anything for you. As you see, my bed is sitting pot. So I can also buy a bed that has a sitting pot like mine. This sitting pot of my bed is costing around $920. Just imagine.
So you're gonna buy me whatever I want?
What?
You're gonna buy me whatever I want?
Everything.
Okay, what's your number again?
What, my what? You want what? Phone number or... Oh. What, my what? Oh, this is again in the man. So again. Usosangenen. How? Yavela sangani ngani? Isangani yini? Siyagula ngani? Usosangenen wemntana umuntu.
Sorry. What'd you say? Sorry.
Usosangenen wenzani?
Huh? Anyways, what's your number again? Your WhatsApp? I'll download it right now. Don't worry.
Oh, you just wanna DM me?
You don't have Cash App?
What?
No Cash App?
No cash?
How do they send money over there, guys? Let me check. How do you send money from Africa to the United States? Help me check. I'll give y'all a cut, I promise.
What?
Oh, sorry, 1 second. I'll give you a cut. I'll give you a cut. I'll give you a cut. Come on. 1 second. Sorry. Capitec Bank.
Hayibo. Usifuna manje le mali. Hayi awukahle. Ngizoyithatha.
Apple Pay?
Awukahle hayibo. No, Yazin, you know what? Take my WhatsApp number. We will chat on my WhatsApp.
Okay. So
if ever happens that you are talking about the money and someone is blocking you, it will be not me. It will be my assistant. My assistant does not want someone to ask for money to me. So if you are chatting on WhatsApp, make sure that you are not talking about money, and my WhatsApp have such restrictions if someone is talking about money.
So are you gonna send it to me anyways?
What?
How are you gonna send it then? You said you can buy me whatever I want, but you said don't talk about money, so
yeah, buy everything you want, but we must not
just don't
talk
say
about
it. So stay secretive. I got you, twin. Don't worry about me.
No.
Oh.
I have a lot of money. Yeah. Maluba, I have a lot of money. Don't buy.
What's up with y'all?
Hi.
Is this the one that I just requested to join?
Yeah.
Y'all want battle?
He's trying to get at me right now. He wants to be
so what, I'm in the way?
Not really.
I thought so. Can we battle though?
Hello, is this your boyfriend?
No, this is not my boyfriend.
It is what?
Appreciate the follows, everybody.
It's not my boyfriend.
How are you, my friend?
I'm good. How you is?
I'm fine. Where are you coming from?
I'm from the United States. Where you from?
I'm from South Africa. Yo, we are too lucky. Yeah, we are talking.
We go money gun, man.
The president of South Africa. Just imagine.
We go money gun, man. Hey, when he was in here trying to get at you though?
Get you are too lucky. Yeah, these opportunities like this are not more.
Hey, you was in here trying to get at TT.
I'm trying to do something.
He just said under his bed.
What is he saying? Appreciate the follows, everybody. Appreciate the follows, man.
No, for real.
I'm saying to you, I'm a president of South Africa. Don't understand what I'm saying to you?
Who are you talking to?
I'm a president of South Africa. Check the detailing. And I was angered by my small sister. She bought this jersey with 10 million rand. Just imagine. What a waste. This vest
got a million followers, bro.
costing around 12
I don't know what the
million.
fuck you talk about, but that nigga got damn near a million followers.
So what a waste.
Hey, TT.
Yeah.
Just imagine.
You from Charlotte?
Yeah. Where you at? Where you at?
I'm from North Carolina too.
Okay.
Everybody following me from your live. This shit just keeps follow. Sorry, he is embarrassing us. Masunu?
He thinks that's my man.
Call him Masunu? Masunu?
Why are you reading comments? You're not supposed to read them.
Oh.
What? Mana uchinwa mfana?
Oh my gosh.
What are you saying?
Why are you listening?
Oh, my fault. What does that mean, though?
Oh my god.
What are you saying?
Somebody told me to call you Masunu.
How you say it again?
Oh. I'm sorry.
My god.
What does it mean, though?
You just don't know. You don't read comments.
Oh.
They said it's an insult. Oh my god.
Oh.
Look at him. Look at him. Oh my gosh.
What is he doing?
Watch your bag.
I apologize, bro. Nah, I'm not reading no more comments. They keep telling me to say different stuff.
That's his comments, bro.
You must not use that language. That language is too deep. It is a.
And no, I'm not saying nothing else. I don't trust you.
Damn, he finna go on a drill. He finna go on a drill. Oh my gosh, bro.
Oh my god.
I ain't say it. Don't come here. I ain't say it.
Nah, TT told me I could say it though.
I didn't say shit.
TT told me I could say it though.
No, I ignore all that shit. Don't put that on me.
And then they keep saying different words mean sorry. Like, do that shit really mean sorry though?
Well, say it. Find out. Find out.
Is it Winja?
Why are you actually? Oh my god.
You just told me to find out.
Oh my god.
You just told me to find out.
Oh my gosh, bro.
You just told me to find out.
Why would you actually do it? Look at him. He's trying to figure you out. He's finding your IP address. Like,
How is he finding my IP address?
He's finding you right now. So
I feel like you on his side. You trying to scare me. Like.
No, I'm just saying though. You read a comment, you don't know their language. He's from Africa. You're gonna read a word, you don't know what it is. You're gonna say it out loud. That's on you.
So he gonna come all the way to North Carolina and find me.
Yes.
I gotta see that happen.
All right. Don't come here. I ain't say nothing, bro.
I'm already in Charlotte though.
I ain't say nothing. I promise. Don't come for me.
Yeah, they keep trying to get me to say bad words.
You finna find him. I know. The more shit he read, the more shit he got coming for him. No, literally.
All right, bet my fault. I'm not gonna read nothing else.
They said nice to know you, man. They said nice to know you, man.
Nice to know me is crazy. I'm sorry, bro. I apologize.
We only knew him for a good 4 or 5 minutes, chat. That's it.
Every time I say something else, he will like you. Yeah, nah.